So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT, Copy AI, Grammarly, Midjourney, and ScaleNut so you can create a really good quality blog completely from scratch and start making money from it. So all the links are in the description if you want to try out these different tools. And let's get started. So first of all, we're going to use ChatGPT to actually generate ideas for a blog. So for example, let's say we want a blog about tech gadgets that we can use. So I asked ChatGPT to generate a bunch of different ideas for various tech product categories that I can write a blog about. Now what I want to do is I'm going to pick one of these categories. So I like the home automation and smart home devices category. I think I can make a blog on vacuum cleaners because that is something that people will always need. And they also tend to be expensive, usually several $100s. So the commissions on that with affiliate marketing would be pretty substantial. So let's say that I want to write a blog on vacuum cleaners. So I'm going to use Copy AI, which I also linked in the description, to actually write the entire blog completely from scratch. And it's going to do that within a few seconds. So once I log in and create an account, you can find the link in the description. It's going to take me to this home page right here. And so I can go to chat and I can just ask it to write me a short blog on the best vacuum cleaners in 2024. And it's going to start generating the script for me, and let's see. It already got me a title, Top 5 Vacuum Cleaners of 2024 for Effortless Cleaning. Looks like a pretty good search optimized title. And just like that, I've got a bunch of different vacuum cleaners. It tells me information about each of them. It even ranks them in terms of what it's really good for, like whether it's good for hands-free or whether it's a beast for pet owners. So I use Copy AI here to generate the blog for me, and now we've got a few more steps. So now I'm going to copy this entire script here and paste it into Grammarly, which I have a premium subscription for. And so when I'm in Grammarly, I'm just going to paste this here, and it's automatically going to help me fix any grammatical errors and make it sound nicer. There's all these different features. You can improve the clarity, the correctness, and you can also check for plagiarism. So if I click the plagiarism button here, it's going to start checking it and see if this is original. So you want to do this to make sure that you don't get any copyright issues. And I'm just going to wait for a couple of seconds to make sure that this is completely original. Now it detected 10% plagiarism, but that's just because these are it's getting this information from various blogs and other sites. So that should be perfectly fine as long as you make sure you, maybe write a few things and add some stuff yourself. You can fix some of the grammatical errors to make it sound even better. But I think, 5 to 10% is usually okay. Now, once you have this right here, you've got your script for the blog. Now, what you want to do is, maybe you want to add some images, right? Or you want to add some AI images at the top to make your blog sound really nice. Or you want to create a logo for your blog. Then you can go to Midjourney. Right, and they've got a bunch of different pricing options here, but you can get started completely for free. So once you've done that, you can get started with Midjourney, and they've got a few different pricing options. I would recommend starting with a simple basic plan, which is $8 a month. And you can use that to spin up really high quality AI images that you can use for your channel logo or things like that. Maybe you want to put pictures in your blog that are AI generated. So that can be really useful. And the next step that you would do is, of course, once you've posted you've got all this information here, you've got your images ready, you want to make sure that the actual information here is search engine optimized. So for that, you would use a software called ScaleNut. Content is optimized for a search engine. So you want to make sure that it ranks in search when people are looking for it. Right? So they've got all this information here. It does the entire life cycle for you. And if you want to try out ScaleNut, the link is in the description as well. So by combining these 5 tools that I've mentioned in this video, you can create a really good quality blog that actually ranks and generates you lots of affiliate income. The links to all the different tools are in the description below, and I'll see you in the next video.